Hi, I am here with Dave Trepagna. He is the owner of Firefly right here at the shops of Edgewater. How are you?
I'm doing great, thank you. It's good to be open again.
It is, yeah, it's wonderful to be here. Since Hurricane Michael, you guys have just been trying to get open for months, and you know, the date finally arrived. You guys had a lot of damage too, so what was it like when you first walked in here?
Well, it was pretty devastating when you first walked in because you don't really know what you're walking into. I had my manager send me some pictures, but when you actually walked in and just saw the destruction everywhere, the kitchen destroyed and all the ceiling down here was in, and just knowing the whole roof had to be replaced, it was pretty scary. And just realizing that, hey, we got a long road ahead of us. It wasn't just a little minor damage, it was a lot.
Right, and you know, the community were so supportive. You were saying that you just were overwhelmed with the support.
Yeah, and once we got going and started seeing some progress, I'd put a Facebook post up, and just the response was incredible. That was very humbling to see, just see the reaction of the people in the community.
Yeah, you were greatly missed, and we're so glad you're open, and it looks beautiful in here. You wouldn't even know that Hurricane Michael blew through here. It looks really good.
Yeah, we were the lucky ones on the beach. I mean, we're back, we're going again, and I hope everybody else can get back on their feet as well too, as soon as possible.
Yeah, and you can expect everything to be pretty much the same delicious food. You've got seasonal menus, you've got the sushi. People miss the sushi, right?
Yeah, like I said, for the most part, all the old favorites are still there, but you know, I let Chef Derek just do what he does, and he creates seasonal items. We're not locked into one menu. We print them here daily, so he can do whatever he wants, any day he wants, and that's the fun of it.
And that's what makes you guys so unique and such the perfect place to come and dine. We're so glad you're open. Thanks so much for talking to us today.
Thank you very much.
And I will see you back here with more local news.